So the non-ideal solutions, change in enthalpy not equal to 0, volume of mixture is not equal to 0. It means if the delta H mixture not equal to 0 means less than 0 or greater than 0. If greater than 0, if the greater than 0, the solutions which show the positive deviation, same as delta V mixture is greater than 0, then the solutions which show the positive deviation. So similarly delta H, change in enthalpy of the mixture, is less than 0. Less than 0 means negative values, -1, -2, -3, like that. Then the solutions which show the negative deviation. So same as change in volume of the mixture is less than 0. So then these solutions show the negative deviations. So finally, ideal solutions, delta H mixture is equal to 0, delta V mixture equal to 0. So non-ideal solutions, delta H mixture not equal to 0, greater than 0 or less than 0. Same as change in volume, delta V mixture is not equal to 0. So then it is greater than 0, it is the positive value. If less than 0, it is the negative value. So it is the bit number 35. So now bit number 36. What is? Among the following mixture, dipole as major interactions is present in major interactions. Dipole major interactions are present in. So generally dipole major interactions are present in. What is present in? The mixture of the liquid does not contains any hydrogen bondings. Okay, any hydrogen bonding. So then major interaction. So then bit number 36. So bit number 36 is, what is? Dipole as a major interactions. So then dipole major interactions present in the mixture with non-hydrogen bonding. Non-hydrogen bonding. What is non-hydrogen bonding? So then, so options is, first option is, for example, KCl and water. So then KCl and what is water? KCl and water. Second option is benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Benzene is C6H6 and carbon tetrachloride is the CCl4. So now benzene and ethanol. So then benzene C6H6 and ethanol is the C2H5. What is OH? So the next one is acetonitrile and acetone. Acetonitrile and acetone. What is acetone? Acetone. So now, if the mixture with non-hydrogen bonding, what is a non-hydrogen bonding? Show the more or major dipole interactions. So now first option is KCl and H2O. Actually in H2O, hydrogen bonds are present. It is H, it is O and it is H. H2O, one molecule, and H, it is O and it is H, another molecule. So oxygen with partially negative charge, hydrogen with partially positive charge. So then hydrogen bond is established in between partially positive hydrogen and partially negative oxygen. So then it is weak dipole-dipole interactions. So the next one is benzene and CCl4. In benzene and CCl4, both molecules does not having any hydrogen bonding. So in this mixture, major dipole-dipole interactions are present. So it is the answer. So next third option is benzene and ethanol. So then ethanol with hydrogen bonding, that is intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So then it is OH and it is C2H5. So C2H5OH. So same as C2H5OH. So next it is the OH and it is C2H5. So then C2H5. Another mole is OH and it is C2H5. C2H5. So then hydrogen with partially positive charge, oxygen with partially negative charge. It is partially positive charge, it is the partially negative charge. So now hydrogen bond generally denoted with the dotted lines. So then now hydrogen bond is established in between hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen and oxygen. So these molecules with very less or small dipole attractions. So next one is acetonitrile and also what is acetone. So generally acetone is the CH3, okay, C double bond O, it is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. In these also hydrogen bonds are present. So then another one is what is, it is C, it is CH3, so it is C double bond O, it is CH3. So wherein it is C double bond O, CH3 simply, or for the conveniently it can be written as HCH2. What is HCH2? So then hydrogen bond is established in between oxygen and hydrogen. So now first option, third option and fourth options with small dipole-dipole attractions. But the second option, that is benzene and carbon tetrachloride with major interactions of dipole-dipole moment. Dipole-dipole moment. Okay. So now, so next one is question number 37. 15 centimeter cube of liquid. 15 centimeter cube of liquid. So then bit number 37. Bit number 37. Now 15 centimeter cube of liquid X. 15 centimeter cube. 15 centimeter cube of liquid X. Okay, liquid X. And 20 centimeter cube of liquid Y. So then 20 centimeter cube of liquid, what is Y, are mixed at 20 degrees centigrade. So then these are mixed at 20 degrees centigrade temperature. 20 degrees centigrade temperature. And the volume of solution was measured to be 35.1 centimeter cube. So then its volume is at 20 degrees centigrade temperature. Its volume is how much? 35.1 centimeter cube. 35.1 centimeter cube. Okay. So the correct reaction is, okay, first option is, so generally in this, so in this first option is, in this bit first option, what is delta H mixture is less than 0. Delta H mixture, it is less than 0. And the solution show the positive deviation. What is a positive deviation? Okay. So now second option is delta H mixture is greater than 0. Delta H mixture is greater than 0. The solution which show the positive deviation. What is positive deviation? So now third option is delta H mixture is less than 0. What is delta H? Delta H mixture is less than 0 and it show the negative deviation. It show the negative deviation. So now fourth option is delta H mixture greater than 0. delta H mixture is greater than 0 and it show the negative deviation. What is it? Show the negative deviation. So now the correct option is the second option. Why? Because the second option, actually delta H is greater than 0, it show the positive deviation. What is positive deviation? For example, delta H mixture is less than 0. Actually, it is negative deviation, but not positive deviation. Actually, it is the negative deviation. So this first option is wrong. So second one is delta H mixture is greater than 0. It is the positive deviation. This correct statement. Third one is if delta H mixture is less than 0, delta H mixture is what is less than 0, it is the negative deviation. What is negative deviation? So next one is, so then delta H mixture is greater than 0, actually it is the what is a positive deviation. So then this one is correct. So then second and third options are correct according to ideal and non-ideal solutions. But in this case, 15 centimeter cube of x combines with 20 centimeter cube of y at 20 degrees centigrade. The volume what happens? 35.1. Actually, it is the 20 plus 15. How much? 35. What is 35 centimeter cube? 35 centimeter cube. So actually 35 centimeter cube, but the value is given by 35.1 centimeter cube. It means it is greater value. What is it? Is a greater value. So delta H mixture is greater than 0, then it show the positive deviation. So it is the second option is correct. So next 38, bit number 38. Now acetone boiling point